has WallStreetBets, how has your community reacted? Have you been positive on it?
It's really been a mixed bag. There's a ton of positivity, but also a lot of people excited to short, buy puts. But all in all, they're just excited for the volatility, and that's absolutely what we're seeing here today.
Nor, last week on the show, we reported on the post that Reddit made itself saying, we're going to do an AMA, and we will answer the questions in video format, selecting the most upvoted posts. At the time that we reported it on this program, the most upvoted post was, why are you even going public? It's not a great vibe right now. Just give me your reaction to that. I mean, it's the function of Reddit, ironically, pushing the management to think again.
Absolutely, yeah. I think this is actually a great time for Reddit to IPO, so I'm surprised. Certainly, there was a lot of turmoil over the past year. But if you look at what came out of that from a business perspective, it's actually been very positive. We saw with the Reddit protests that actually people found Reddit completely indispensable. There was so much opportunity for a competitor to take Reddit's place, and nothing came out of it. So this just goes to show how deeply ingrained Reddit is in the zeitgeist and that it's here to stay.
Nor, there are many Redditors and indeed moderators that have big concerns on Reddit's plan to license user and platform data to AI companies to use it to train LLMs. What's your position on it?
From a business perspective, it's definitely a risk. We're seeing that the FTC is also looking into this, but it is a huge opportunity, and Reddit owns something that is very special for LLMs, and that is real-time user reactions to what's going on in the world around us. And that's something that I think no other platform has. So it's a great opportunity for Reddit to make money off of that and then turn around and invest that money in improving the user experience.
No, I want to ask about the evolution of moderation, because many would say, in anticipation of the IPO, Reddit really got ahead of ensuring that this became a safer space to be able to comment. Does that stand? Has anything been lost in the focus of needing to clean up the platform?
We've definitely lost a little bit of the chaos and grit that you would have seen on Reddit 10, 15 years ago. And although that does lose some of its charm, I think it's more reflective of the state of the internet rather than Reddit as a platform itself. We're seeing all platforms, social media platforms, censor in response to government regulations and laws that have been placed on hate speech and other types of speech. So Reddit is actually maintaining its position as the front page of the internet and simply reflecting what is on the internet through these policy changes.
WallStreetBets was what we talked about day in, day out in 2021 through 2022. Name being made around GameStop, the power that Redditors had in that moment. What do you think the power is of Redditors around the Reddit stock itself?
It'll be interesting to see. It'll be interesting to see when Redditors feel empowered that the actions they take on the platform can make a meaningful impact on the stock price of Reddit itself. Like with the GameStop debacle, we saw over 1 billion page views in a very, very short period of time in a month. And we saw that continue for several months. So to think that Redditors now, who might be investors themselves, can have a positive impact on the stock will simply deepen their relationship with the company and with the platform.
No, we just have 30 seconds. For someone that has no idea what Reddit is, what's your pitch for them to get onto the platform?
Reddit is a city that is incredibly deep with countless communities to fill every need that you knew or didn't know that you are interested in learning more about. If you've got an intellectual curiosity that can't be satisfied, Reddit is the place for you.